Amore, what shall we prepare for dinner?
What about Chinese lemon chicken?
Let's start by cooking the rice and dicing the chicken. Try to make all the pieces of the same size. Let's coat it with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Once well coated, heat some olive oil in the pan and cook them until golden. For the sauce, add 70 grams of lemon juice, 50 grams of water, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Add the mixture to the chicken, lower the heat and cook it until it has the right consistency. Chop some green scallion to garnish and we are ready to plate. Buonissimo!